Light changes everything. Moments like these happen only once, and as photographers, we carry the weight of that. Every expression, every gesture, every memory depends on the light. The biggest problem in event photography isn't flash itself, it's where the flash lives.
My original inspiration for the Platypod bracket and bounce came from watching a wedding videographer holding a light panel over his head while filming like this for 10 straight minutes. And I remember thinking, there has to be a better way.
When the light comes from the same place as the lens, it flattens everything. No matter how powerful your flash is, if it's mounted on the camera, your light has nowhere to go. No direction, no shape, no dimension.
So those of us who've been shooting flash for years have had a love-hate relationship with flash brackets. Most of us eventually stopped using them because they were bulky, awkward, and impractical. That's exactly why I created the Platypod bracket and bounce system.
Introducing Platypod bracket and bounce, a complete reinvention of the flash bracket. Compact, elegant, designed for real-world photography. And yes, it fits in your bag. This is the difference. With bracket and bounce, light doesn't flatten, it sculpts. Harsh becomes gentle. Flat becomes dimensional. Use only what you need. Add more when you want.
Hi, I'm Kathy Weatherston. I'm a wedding and newborn photographer in Ireland. I work fast in unpredictable light, so having this product helps me shape light anywhere.
It just makes sense. This is the bracket I actually use. Fast, natural, beautiful. Professional lighting without the bulk. Without the assistance, ready to go anywhere. Because when you angle the bounce, you don't just light a face, you shape it. Light isn't just brightness, light is feeling. It's the difference between a snapshot and a memory that really lasts. If you believe your work deserves better light, if you believe tools should move with you, then join us.
And finally, I want to sincerely thank all of our loyal Kickstarter backers who are helping bring the Platypod bracket and bounce system to light.